Hello guys, there we have a Samsung washing machine WW80T504DAEA and welcome on Specification overview video. So, dimensions of this device without the protruding elements is 55 cm of depth, 60 cm of wide and 85 cm of high. With protruding elements, there we have a 63.5 cm of depth. The maximum capacity of this device is 8 kilograms. The power consumption for 100 cycles is 47 kWh and its take about 8 euros. The water consumption for one cycle is 48 liters. Noise level spinning is 72 decibels. The weight is 60 kilograms. The length of power cable is 2 meters. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend and goodbye.